So, Lauren and Louis just made it in town. So we're at IHOP. They're probably about to walk in very soon.
Early, we come to Virginia Beach to enjoy the weather, and it's a tsunami outside. Cause we show them the tsunami.
Show them. We'll go outside. We see.
Can't really tell, but
I guess the boyfriend and the husband.
What do you say the wait time is?
oh, it's timid.
Like it's that.
It's $8.99. That's so cheap.
Yeah, that's super cheap. I'm cheaper than mine.
Good money. Anyway.
You said I can have some?
Yeah, go right there. That's it right there. See how big that shit?
I'm not gonna eat all of it.
That's like this big.
I don't know. Let's just not even judge the situation before it happens. We'll see what happens.
I know what I want.
I know what I want.
I'm gonna fuck this food up.
My sister thick though.
Stay trying to show that. Belly button poking out back on that one. I like those. Which one? You put them all back?
I want this color.
Oh, you vlogging?
Yeah, for yeah.
She cannot wear these out in public.
Yes, I can.
Right.
This is
That's
in home.
that's an off gates. You ain't can't wear that.
Grocery
As
store?
little as short as those are.
That's the thing nowadays. That's how we wear it. So I'm just like,
I want a hoodie. I think I want a hoodie instead.
I like that blue right there.
I'm tired. We're going back there. What are we about to do? Oh my gosh, this is so sweet.
no,
You put your feet in here?
Talking about some yes.
you like
Yes.
It's like, oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, arms
It's beside of your back.
It was on my butt. Okay.
I don't do that. I don't massage the butt.
Oh my God.
Not like this.
amazing, right? Mine is so big.
Right away, start doing the act like she got it again. Well, actually, this is will get things that
No, yours like a real spaceship. Is it massage your feet? No. This one's better.
Ah.
I don't know how to do all of that. Kitty.
And all good.
Oh, yeah.
It's hurtful. It's about time during the Afghanistan.
Oh, I love this show too.
Who are you?
I'm a huge.
It's yours. Whose world is this?
Let's get a picture of us.
50 seconds. I can't really see. I should have the flash. No.
We're at Captain George's. And Babe.
What's up?
You don't know how to crack, do you know? Like, oh.
All that shit is like the.
I love this guy.
I love my mashed potato.
Anyway, he loves me. I think I say that all the time. He loves me. So what? Right.
Even though he doesn't say it.
Big fat ass. Meaty.
That looks nasty.
Girthy.
It actually tastes, it doesn't taste bad.
I'm gonna try.
That's an oyster, right? I used to hate the
said
oyster. I used to work in a seafood restaurant. I hated the oyster.
Wait, this is a clam.
Is that your first time tasting it?
Yeah.
Is this an aphrodisiac too, or just oysters? Wait, that's an oyster.
That should get you lit, though.
Is this an oyster? I'm confused.
That looks so nasty.
Ew, you made a bad face. It's nasty.
Is it chewy or something?
Sure as fuck.
Rubber. I actually don't want it. Like it looks disgusting. It looks like a piece of muscle.
Listen, just try it. Eat the damn oyster anyway. Hold on, it's chew it. Lord, chew it.
I won't be trying any of that.
That is not
Carlo does not want that. Probably throw up. Make me throw
I
up.
don't know.
We'll go ahead and end the vlog here. It's currently 11:06. Is it gonna focus? No, but it's late. We didn't do much because the weather is bad out here. What's it called? Hurricane Hermine? Hermine? Yeah. So we're dealing with that weather. So we had to do indoor stuff, but we're tired. Gotta go to sleep. See you in the next vlog. Bye. You like this one?
Okay.
Kylo. But we need a whole set.